Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time at St. Francis Borgia Catholic School here in Cedarburg, Wisconsin. I'm standing outside their gym in the little lobby area and right in front of this cross full of hearts. But it just really spoke to me because this was really what the central message of today's assemblies was trying to convey. And that was bullying, but the underlying sub-theme being looking at someone's heart first. Right? The same way that God looks at all of our hearts, right? And what's so incredible is that these students really took this to heart. A lot of them came up to me during the lunches after the programs today, following the presentations, and just really, spilled some of their emotions and feelings and what they've been going through, and, friends that haven't really been friends, and the need to treat people like you do treat your best friend. And the need to be able to see everyone the same way that God sees all of us, for their heart before anything else. And so in 1 Samuel 16:7 in the Bible, it says that God, he always looks at the heart. Our heart's as big as our fist, right? And if we let love, peace, compassion, Christ fully enter into our heart, we can turn this into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love and kindness. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one breath, one heartbeat, 2 seconds, we can uplift somebody high as the clouds. Something we say or do can stay in their heart in a positive way for the rest of their life. Or in 2 seconds, conversely, we can say something so mean that it actually potentially destroys a life, right? And the students grasped that today. They really got an understanding of the fact that we have to be so conscious of what we say and what we do, and that we're always doing what God wants us to do, treating people the way that he wants us to treat everyone around us, like they're our brothers, like they're our sisters. But a lot gets in the way. Pain can overcome, it can spill over in our hearts. And the biggest reason I see why bullying does happen, which I shared with everyone today, is that hurt people hurt people. But if we do let that love fully enter our heart, like it says in Isaiah 53, by his wounds we are healed. If we understand that ultimate sacrifice that Jesus made for all of us, dying on the cross, that ultimate act of kindness, and allow him to fully penetrate our hearts, to cleanse us, to purify us, to heal us, we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who healed people, right? And the need to do this is beyond there, right? The need to show this kindness, the need to show that we care. It's so necessary. There's so many people out there that just don't really like themselves, that when they look in the mirror, they don't like the reflection. They think that, they were a mistake, or that they aren't worthy of love. And it's so far from the truth. They believe the lies of what other people tell them. They take opinions as truth, and not every opinion matters. What matters is what we believe. And that also starts with this understanding too. All of us with the lines of our hand have the letter M. You have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here, just like the front of my shirt. This M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. And it says this in the Bible in Isaiah 49, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is the proof, right? That we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. But we have to buy into that. We have to believe this, right? Psalm 139, God knows all the hairs on our head, knows all the days that are written in his book. And we are fearfully and wonderfully made. We have to buy into this, because so many others out there that we need to be the light to their heart. We have to go and show them that, right? Show them that same love that God is showing all of us, to get past those hurts, to heal fully, to know that we're miracles, and that we just keep pushing for peace. You guys are beautiful. Thank you so much for touching my heart today. Hope to be back again in the future to share my heart again with all of you. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year. Keep the faith, stay strong, and feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist right here for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website through the peace sign symbol on your phone or tablet or wherever you're watching this video to check out my website and track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.